Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix mouse connection issues on macOS when your mouse is not responding properly, scrolling is not working, or clicks feel delayed. These issues usually come from connection glitches, system settings, or temporary macOS bugs, and we'll fix them step by step in a simple way. First, check the most important setting, Bluetooth or connection status. If you are using a wireless mouse, go to System Settings and open Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. If your mouse is already connected, click the small info icon next to it and remove the device, then pair it again. This resets the connection and often fixes laggy or unresponsive behavior instantly. Next, if you are using a USB or dongle mouse, unplug it and plug it into a different port. Sometimes the port itself stops responding correctly, and switching ports forces macOS to redetect the device. If you are using a USB hub, try connecting directly to the Mac instead, since hubs can sometimes interrupt stable input signals. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now check a common system issue that affects mouse movement. Go to System Settings, then Accessibility, and open Pointer Control. Make sure tracking speed is not set too low or too high, as extreme settings can make the mouse feel stuck or overly sensitive. Adjust it slightly and test movement to find a balanced speed. Finally, restart your Mac once. This clears temporary system input glitches and refreshes all connected devices, which often restores normal mouse behavior immediately. And that's it. Your mouse should now be working smoothly again on macOS.